BUA FIT is a platform for outdoor and online fitness classes, connecting trainers to consumers in a social way, allowing them to run group fitness classes at the click of a button. We help trainers run and scale their business without the risk, hassle and cost of doing it on their own, whilst making it easy for consumers to find and engage in fitness classes they love. Running a group fitness business is extremely difficult. Most trainers struggle to break the success barrier due to limited capital and extortionate rent in gyms. Marketing their services is extremely challenging as they're competing against established brands. On top of that, chasing payments, managing admin and organising group fitness outdoors and online is a costly nightmare, having to use several platforms to make it work. Consumers can feel intimidated in gyms and struggle to book group classes due to limited space. Even before COVID, consumers were inside 90% of the time, leading mostly sedentary lifestyles. Booking into outdoor and online classes personalised to their needs can dramatically improve their overall well-being. Before BUA FIT, these classes were very hard to find. BUA FIT is an e-commerce fitness platform built for social interaction. People can follow each other and chat with their favourite trainers while fostering a community of like-minded people. Trainers get followers automatically based on their niche, connecting them to a huge pool of potential customers. Trainers can run all of their business under their own brand through BUA FIT, with automated payouts, customer support, emails, booking confirmations, insurance and licenses, removing all the traditional business hassle to focus on growth and class experience. Consumers can book in 2 taps when it suits their diary and enjoy workouts with their favourite trainers. The great outdoors is the healthiest space to train in, reducing the risk of diabetes, blood pressure, stress, depression and exposing us to plenty of vitamin D.
The world has changed a lot since our last funding round. The pandemic caused us to think quickly on our feet, and within days we had incorporated Zoom onto our platform. We soon figured out this wasn't an efficient solution, and that's when BUA Live was born. On top of outdoor training, BUA Live is our newest platform specifically for online fitness classes, allowing clients to have a preference on how they exercise with their favourite trainers from anywhere. It's a safe and social experience where, unlike with pre-recorded fitness, trainers can observe and correct clients from all over the world in real time, helping them improve their performance in a fully insured place.
At a time when outdoor fitness shut down, we were able to pivot to our own online solution, resulting in 20x growth with users from UK, Ireland, Spain, France and Ibiza. Despite our outdoor model being closed for several months, we still managed to deliver on all of our targets.
We've been supporting over 100 fitness businesses, and we've been voted as one of London's best wellness startups to purchase from and to work for. And we've been recognised as one of the top startups to watch out for innovation in 2021.
Representing the BUA brand has been a real pleasure, and I love seeing how the platform is adding real value to consumers' well-being.
I've been extremely impressed with the BUA team. They handled the pandemic extremely well, managing to still hit targets and grow impressively. The data is looking strong to scale.
The corporate wellness market is worth $52 billion globally, and we expect the demand for outdoor and online activities to only increase in upcoming years. We've won business with several major corporate brands, providing them with a custom online solution for their teams, helping them reap the benefits of outdoor and online fitness tailored to their culture. We plan to be a global fitness brand focusing on connecting supply and demand in the UK, Europe, US and Australia. We're launching BUA FIT on iOS next. Your support will grow our team to meet expanding needs in London and the UK. Our mission is to empower trainers to succeed and inspire consumers to live a happier and healthier life. BUA means victory in Gaelic, and with your support, we'll be one step closer to victory in connecting the fitness industry in an innovative way so both sides win.